everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. I am in the truck. We're on the highway. We're currently heading out fishing actually today. We're gonna be fishing in Cochrane near Alberta, or near Calgary in Alberta. We're just gonna be fishing a couple little ponds. Today's one of those days that I want to I don't know, I just want to practice my casting a little bit, kind of get back into the groove of things. It's technically my first fishing trip, first fishing day, spring/summer season, to get out there a little bit earlier this year, but unfortunately, you know, life happens, things happen. That's just kind of how she goes, you know. It's you can't always be fishing all the time, although I wish I could, but you can't. So anyways, we're heading out there today. We're heading out there now. It's a pretty cloudy day today. Truck says about 6 degrees, so it's not warm, but it's not cold. It's just kind of, yeah, it feels like a, you know, fall day. But if you live here in Alberta, you know that sort of these May showers, right? It just rains in May, so it's okay. It is what it is. The forecast says that it's going to start raining once again, probably around 1 p.m. It's currently 9, so I think we've got a solid couple hours of fishing before it's time to pack up and head home. But we'll see. Either way, I'm really excited. I can't wait, and yeah, I'll see you guys there. We're here. Let's set up the rod. I don't think we're gonna need waders today. I'm just, you know, warm and cozy. It's very foggy today. Kind of like, it feels like fall today. But anyways, so the rod we're working with today, it's a 9'5/6" weight fly rod. Ended up deciding that I'm gonna wear my waders just so I kind of get used to fishing with them, as well as it has a really nice big pocket where I can put everything I need, and so I don't have to carry my really ugly and annoying bag all the way there. Unfortunately, these waders are slightly too big for me, so they don't look great, but you do what you can. In terms of what I want to tie on today, I think I'm going to just walk over to the pond and then kind of look at what's happening, because sometimes at this pond, it is stocked trout. They just eat at the surface like crazy, especially on a foggy day like today. And so maybe a really cool dry fly would be really nice. I really want a nice dry fly day, but either way, let's start heading out there. So there's pretty much two big old ponds. There's one right here, but then there's also a smaller one at the back. And I always find that the smaller one in the back generally is more productive. Definitely has less people, like, because here it's more decorated, right? There's more families and stuff. By the way, this is proof, if you haven't had it yet from my channel, that you don't need a bunch of fancy equipment to go out and fly fish, right? I've got a plastic reel, and I've got, the rod's a really nice rod, but because it was a gift, and pretty bad net, but it was a gift as well. I'm just trying to see right now if anything is biting at the surface. I think that was a bite on the water. I'm gonna keep looking, hold on. Yeah, it's full of fish right here in the water. I'm gonna try dry flying. These are stocked trout with a blue winged olive something. I forget what the name is, but that's what I'm throwing today. I ended up losing 3 fish, so what we're gonna do is we're changing up the fly in something like this. Next runner up. Let's do it. Starting to drizzle too. He's close. He's really close. This dry flies already a lot better. The wind's starting to pick up a little bit. It's getting a little chilly, I'm not gonna lie to you. But it's okay. I just want one fish. That's all I want. I just want one. Get this season started off well. Okay, the kid next to me just got one. I think we're gonna try the other pond. It's really starting to rain now. Anytime I've come here to fish, I've always caught fish down here, so either it's complete luck or I don't know. I kind of want a GoPro now. I think that'd be pretty cool, no? I think wouldn't it get harder to like kind of transfer all your data and stuff, or like all your footage? Okay, yeah, the dock isn't on because usually it's this guy right here. It's not there today, it's okay. But I think I've always caught on this side. It's really raining. Hands are kind of getting cold. It's May, guys, come on now. What are we doing here, Calgary? It's May. Yeah, I cannot see any sign of life here. It's all bubbly and gross, too. Yeah. Nope, back to the other pond we go. I lost 3 fish. So far, that blue-winged olive fly was the best, so I think I may retie that guy on and then just wait her out. All I want is one fish. All I need is one fish to start off this season. Start it off strong, you know? And I know what a lot of guys in the comments are going to say. They're going to say, oh, but it's stock trout. Stock trout don't count. Okay, you know what? Shut up. First of all. Second of all, I've fished like creeks and rivers like that are only accessible with like off-roading 4x4s. Like, don't tell me about wild trout. I've fished wild trout. That's all I've usually fished. But when I first start off this season, it's tradition for me to go to a stocked pond and fish stocked trout. Not for my ego, not for anything else, but it just kind of, it's tradition. That's how I get the year started. And I know that if I catch a trout on my first day, it's going to be a good year. If I don't, who cares? Ain't We're back at the first one. I don't think that kid stole my spot. It's really raining now. Wish there was some shelter somewhere. But, because now it's like, it's also kind of hard to dry fly it, but you know what? Let's do it. That blue-winged olive minge back. A bird just took a fish. A really big bird just came in, took this fish. My nails are... Alright.
I'm waterproof from the waist, or from the chest down, not the top. You know what I'm really feeling? You know what I'm really craving? Tim Hortons. You'll ever have that? Like you're outdoors, you're fishing, you're doing something, and you're like, you know what would slap? Tim Hortons, man. I don't know what it is. That place is a special place in my heart. I remember when I was younger, and I'm talking like 4, maybe 5 years old. Me and my dad, we would always go. He would always take me fishing, right? And he would take me or hiking or camping, whatever. I remember. Oh, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be kind of tough to fish this bad boy today. I can't even see it. Okay, yeah, we might have to wait it out in the truck here. Okay, alright, okay, I get it, I understand. Yeah. Okay. Holy shit, it's really raining now. It's muddy as you wouldn't believe. Oh, it's hailing too now. Why'd I park so far? I'm freaking soaked, man. Here we go, guys. Oh my god, it's cold. Anyways, so that was short-lived, but kind of awesome at the same time. My hands are red. It's cold outside. We're gonna see what happens here, if it stops or not, and I'll give it like 15-20 minutes, and then otherwise I think we're gonna head to Timmy's. We're just gonna kind of hang out here in the car for a bit, warm up, wait it out, and then see if we can go back there or not. Otherwise, there is a Tim Hortons pretty close by, and I think a little breakfast sandwich could make me feel a little bit better, but we'll see. We'll wait it out, and we'll see. It's been about 20 minutes, give or take. Looks like the rain has somewhat ceased. I don't know if I want to get out there yet or not, because this hoodie is soaked and I'm kind of cold. Maybe I'm gonna go grab a coffee, come back, and then we'll just kind of figure out what I want to do. But I think that's gonna be the plan. I'm still in my waders. all soaked. I soaked my seats, but thank goodness I got seat covers. Everybody makes fun of me for my seat covers, and then they work. We made it to the Tim Hortons drive-through here. I think I'm just gonna grab a coffee and maybe a breakfast sandwich, something like that. But unfortunately, it is still raining, and it's raining really, really hard. So it does not look like we're gonna be going back fishing for today. Unfortunately, it was a really short video, not too much content. Unfortunately, I wish I caught one of those 3 fishes that I lost, but it is what it is. It's part of the experience. But I'll definitely be back for more. There's definitely a bunch of spots that I really want to try out, and I'm planning a longer trip, kind of back out into Crown Land, where there's a really beautiful creek, and I want to camp by it and fish it for a few days. So we'll see. Either way, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe. There's so much more to come. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.